Hello and welcome back to Amaka's Healthy Kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. I hope everyone is doing great, and I hope all is well with you all, and thank God we are doing just amazing by God's grace. So yeah, I want to welcome my old and my new subscribers. Like, you all are amazing. You all are amazing. Thank you all so much. Thank you. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead. The only way you can pay me back, the only way you can help me, is to help this channel to grow. So please go ahead and share this channel to your WhatsApp, share it on your contacts, on your social media platform, please. And may God continue to bless you as you all help this channel to grow. Yeah, so in today's video we are going to make cake fondant, and this is amazing recipe. Like, if you want your cake to be super awesome, if you want it to be like super clean, if you want your cake to be cleaner, if you want it to be beautifully presented, yeah, this is the right recipe for you. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like orange. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care if loving you over my.
So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have icing sugar, and I have a little bit of chocolate. I have food coloring, and I have a bag of mega marshmallows. So I'm going to go ahead and microwave this marshmallow for about 30 to 45 seconds. Yeah, you want to keep an eye on it. You don't want it to, kind of overdo. Yeah, you can see how it's looking right now after I've microwaved it for just less than a minute. Yeah, if you microwave like 10 seconds, you watch 20 seconds, just watch how it is. So now, as you can see, I'm going to just make a little bit of hole inside it, and I'm going to add my chocolate, and I'm going to mix everything together, and I'm just going to continue to stir until my chocolate is completely dissolved. So most times I like using this white chocolate because it serves as a kind of binder, as it makes this to be stronger. It makes the whole fondant to be stronger when you're actually using it to cover your cake. Yeah, but it doesn't mean you can't do without it. Yeah, sometimes if I can't lay my hands on the chocolate, I just make it that way, and it comes out really good. You just need to continue to add your icing. Yeah, so that's the purpose of adding chocolate. It just makes the whole thing stronger.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
So now my chocolate, you can see everything is completely dissolved now. So what I'm going to do is to add my food coloring just now. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add food coloring, like I said. So that's what I'm going to be adding right now. And after that, I'm going to microwave my cake fondant. You can see by the side here. So this is the old one I have from the previous one I made. Yeah, I'm just going to show you. You can see it. Yeah, so all you need to do is to wrap this and put inside your fridge or freezer, depending on how soon or far you want to use them. So you can see I've finished microwaving it, and you can see how it is, how it's looking right now, and I'm adding it just now. So with the help of spatula, I'm going to make sure everything is properly, combined. So as you can see, after that, I'm just going to add a little bit of food coloring. So I'm just going to show you the bottle, how it looks, and you can see the bottle I have is just about 38 ml, inside it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is to use a spoon just to add a little bit, like 1 spoon inside this. It's not even very, very full. So in all, I added about 1/3 of this little bottle you are seeing here, which is 38 ml. You can see, so you want to add your coloring depending on the color you want. If you want a very lighter color, that's up to you. If you want a thicker color, you just want to add a little bit more. So by the time you add your icing and all that, it will rhyme. But don't forget that you are going to be eating this, so you don't want to add super too much or more than what you're preparing. So I'm just going to mix this, and after that I'm just going to add my icing sugar. So I added the first one without sieving method, but I'm just going to grab my sieve right now and continue to use my sieving method. I just like to use my sieving method because we don't want any lump in the mixture. So yeah. So after that, I'm just going to use my spatula and continue to mix this together. And yeah, after that, this is how our cake fondant is looking right now. So I'm going to go ahead and keep adding icing sugar until I get that consistency I'm looking for. Keep on watching, my lovelies. So if you've watched up to this stage, thank you so much. Like, I can't thank you guys enough. Yeah, so please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like, I have different recipes on this. I make traditional meals, I make like healthy meals, like I make weight loss meals, I make Biafran meals, like name it. So I make snacks as well, like just as long as it's food, yeah, I make snacks like different types of meals and snacks and all that. Delicacy, just mention it. So yeah, you don't have anything to lose in this channel. I make Nigerian meals as well. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and yeah, you'll be loved, like you'll be amazed, like you'll be happy you did. Thank you so much. Keep on watching, my lovelies. So after this, I'm just going to wash my hands, and then I will use my hands and mix this properly. So now at this stage, you might notice that there are some that are still sticking on the pole, or on the side of whatever you're using. So yeah, but I'm just going to use this wooden stick to make sure I grab everything, and mix this properly. So after now, I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar on a clean and flat surface, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of knead this to bring this together, make sure they are properly combined and they are very, very smooth and well combined. So yeah, this is it. And yeah, if you like this video, if you love it, if you find it informative, if you find it helpful, please go ahead and share this video, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try this, and don't worry, I'm going to show you the outcome. Like, I'm going to show you how I used the cake I made, how I beautifully covered the cake I made. So, and I just want to let you know that you can keep this in the fridge for like 3 to 6 months, or even more than that. Yeah, and again, you can keep in the freezer if you don't want to use it as soon as possible. So thank you also so much for watching my videos. I genuinely appreciate you all, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, guys, and I love you all. Bye bye from Amaka's Healthy Kitchen, and I say I love you all. Bye bye.